फॉर द रिकॉर्ड कपिश जी, आप जो संजय निषाद का बात कर रहे थे, उन्होंने तो माफी मांग ली, लेकिन इंडिया ब्लॉक के किस नेता ने माफी मांगी है जो सनातन को गाली देते हैं? मिस्टर राजगोपालन, दिस इज डू यू सी अ पैटर्न, a method behind the Sanatan slander, unending Sanatan slander from Pran Pratishtha to now Surya Tilak? Is this to fetch votes? Because this comes on the eve of first phase of polls.
There is a pattern, Pranesh. There is a pattern. ये लोग सोच समझ करके करते हैं. ये सूर्य तिलक is a mathematical, physical, and astro, marvelous. One should appreciate how the technicians, the calculations, the physics, the chemistry, everything has been added together. How to bring the sun once in a year, which comes at a particular time, and it is also blessings of Lord Rama. And it comes one day before the first phase of poll. That is why the non-BJP, especially this India alliance, got rattled. Samajwadi Party is already in a decimation in Uttar Pradesh. And if it happens, Congress will also go to a death knell in the Uttar Pradesh, because Congress and BJP with this BSP will go to the BSP way in Uttar Pradesh. Therefore, they are all talking like that. You can expect much more harsh words from them. They will abuse the Sanatana Dharma and get votes of one particular community. That is why they are harping on that. Whether Ram Gopal Yadav or Rakesh Yadav in June 2024, including the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, will be totally decimated in Uttar Pradesh.
Now, Saif Khan, your ally TMC has learnt a lesson. They are carrying out Shobha Yatra while the Congress leaders are still dismissing Surya Tilak as some kind of TV event.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं सभी दर्शकों को, देशवासियों को रामनवमी की जो है बहुत ही शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, मुबारकबाद देता हूं. नाउ I'm actually really surprised and shocked listening to the statement made by Bharatiya Janata Party and the spokesperson here. Sanjay Nishad was, again sidelined, as you said, because इन्होंने माफी मांग ली. Still he is continuing as a state minister. यूपी में बीजेपी के साथ सरकार चला रहे. भले वो बोल रहे हैं कि भगवान राम जो थे दशरथ के बेटे नहीं थे, मगर तब भी चल रहा है ये जो. Let's
नहीं, उन्होंने माफी मांगी. उन्होंने माफी मांगी.
On 11 December 1995
he had apologized.
माफी मांगी उसे. छोड़ देते हैं उसे. छोड़ दीजिए. अब मोदी जी की बात करते हैं. 11 December 1995. Times Now, your same channel. कोट एंड कोट मोदी जी का डायलॉग. हम ये मानने को तैयार ही नहीं है कि हिंदू एक धर्म है. आप ही के चैनल पे कहा गया था अर्नब गोस्वामी के इंटरव्यू में. दूसरा उनका जो स्टेटमेंट है दिया था, गणेश भगवान जी एक प्लास्टिक सर्जरी के एग्जाम्पल हैं. तीसरा, उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री, उत्तर प्रदेश सीएम स्टेटेड दैट भगवान हनुमान जो हैं वो एक जाति और वर्ग से आते हैं. These are the statements made by the Bharatiya Janata Party and by Narendra Modi ji. ये यहाँ पे जो spokesperson बैठे हुए, would you like to tell him something, or would you like to advise Modi ji on something, on the statements made?
What are you trying to say? I am not understanding. I don't think you understood the context, Saif Khan.
See, I believe I understand. I completely understand, and I want to make all of the citizens understand what Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to prove. Let me tell you. Kedarnath, a businessman donated 230 kg of gold to be placed into the Kedarnath Mandir. It was again eaten. वहां पे जाके ब्रास की पॉलिश की गई. 140 करोड़ VHP जो है भगवान राम के मंदिर के नाम के ऊपर जो है लेके खा गया. It is being stated by Nirmoya Akhara, the one who was contesting, wanted Ram Mandir to be constructed, and finally got an approval from the Supreme Court. I'm talking about Nirmoya Akhara. The third point, again, in the CAG report recently been published, about 20 crores of fraud was again, found out by CAG report, that
What are you saying, Saif Khan? Are you saying, Mr. Khan, are you suggesting this is why Congress party?
Let me tell
No,
you
one
what
minute.
the fact is.
Listen, I don't have all day. 1 minute.
See,
You
this
prepared
is the
for a
point.
I think you've
I
done
think
your
this is-
homework.
This is the major
But
point.
the question is
मैं
out
बताता
of
हूँ
syllabus.
आपको,
1
मैं
minute.
बताता हूँ।
Saif Khan, 1
अरे
minute.
साहब, listen to me.
Is this the reason why Rahul Gandhi did not attend Pran Pratishtha? Mr. Khadge did not go for
I'm
Pran
giving you
Pratishtha.
the
Sonia
complete
Gandhi did
picture.
not go for Pran Pratishtha. Is this why? Your ally IUML told you not to go. Mr. Rajagopalan, I can't make sense of what Mr. Saif Khan is saying.
See, let me.
I expected Saif Khan to say electoral bonds is also because of now Ramnavami. You must bring electoral bonds into this.
One person at a time. Mr. Rajgopalan.
Listen to me. January 7, 1993.
The Saif Khan Congress spokesperson is as confused as Rahul Gandhi is, and Saif Khan will also mention about the electoral bonds which is issued on Ramnavami Day. Therefore, Ramnavami is also this Prana Pratishtha or Sule Tilak are all drama of Narendra Modi. So they can abuse any moment. Anything they will abuse. That is why Congress in North India and the Samajwadi Party, in particular in Uttar Pradesh, has been thrown out of this system by the voters. Therefore, there is no future for Samajwadi Party if you slander Sanatan Dharma in Uttar Pradesh. Where is your Maurya, who has been talking about lots of things? Therefore, Congress and Samajwadi Party are totally out of tune with what is happening about Surya Tilak.
See, all these rubbish statements are made by someone. I'm not really sure who's making such statements here. But let me tell you. Let me
Sir,
tell
just
you.
Give me 10 seconds. I'll want to.
Congress is totally out
Let
of
me tell
tune.
you.
No, I'll come to you. 1 minute. Let him make his point. Mr. Khan, calm down. Mr. Khan, अरे रुक जाइए, आ रहा हूँ आपके पास. रुक जाइए. सैफ भाई रुक जाइए थोड़ा सा. खान साहब रुक जाइए. I'll come to you. Mr. Rajgopalan.
Swami Prasad Maurya, who has been thrown out by the SP, why they have done it?
No. The SP did not throw Swami Prasad Maurya.
Then
He
there are
quit.
internal conflicts
He
because
quit.
of Azam Khan.
The Samajwadi Party could not even condemn what Swami Prasad Maurya had said multiple
Internal
times.
conflicts in Samajwadi Party. That is what I am saying. Therefore, Samajwadi Party and Congress both have been rejected by the voters of Uttar Pradesh consecutively 5 times. Not 1 or 2. 5 times they have been thrown out. So therefore, coming the elections 2024 Lok Sabha, Congress will get 0 in Uttar Pradesh.
Okay,
If they-
Mr. Saif Khan is not quite convinced with your arguments.
For your information. No, let me tell you for your information. India's largest mandir was being sanctioned in the period of 2013 by UPA government. Virat Ramayan Mandir. Listen to me now. Okay, we have constructed 135 feet of Hanuman Murti in Andhra Pradesh. We have constructed Lakshman Jhula in Uttarakhand. We have contributed more than 200 mandirs here in India. If you talk about, what are you talking about here? कि नहीं ये नहीं करते ये वो नहीं
मैं
करते.
बताता हूँ sir, what are we
What
talking
statements are
about?
made,
1 minute. Do you
statement
remember
देने
the
की हिम्मत
center's
है?
affidavit when
मोदी जी
UPA
के लिए
was
जो
in
है.
power?
Do you
No,
agree?
only
Do
after
you agree?
outrage that the center
मोदी जी
changed its
calling,
position. You
मोदी जी
question
calling
the very
भगवान जी
existence of
एक
Lord
आतिश
Ram.
नज़ीर का example है.
You question the very existence of Lord Ram, Saif Khan. Have you
Nobody
forgotten
questions the
that?
existence of Lord
It
Ram.
was only after outrage that the
Nobody-
center changed its
nobody
affidavit.
questioned. If you're talking
And you're
about the
talking, no,
statement
1
which
minute.
was
You're talking,
submitted-
no, 1 minute, sir. For
See,
all
this-
your
this-
faith
this
in
is talking about the
Sanatan,
statement
why has
which was
Rahul
submitted
Gandhi not taken a
submitted
position
in the
on
Supreme Court?
Sanatan
Let me quote
bashing
it to you.
from DMK to Congress leaders in Karnataka and top Congress leaders at that? They've insulted Sanatan. Why has Rahul Gandhi not spoken a word? Why?
हम
Because he
कभी भी
wants to
किसी
win
भी
his seat
धर्म
in
के
Wayanad.
related जो है कोई भी स्टेटमेंट को सपोर्ट नहीं करते. Let me
You are saying it. Why is Rahul Gandhi
It
not
doesn't-
saying it?
It's not up to
Any
you. If your
statements
leaders can't
which are
say this, it's
made
not up to you. You
against
sit here on
any-
national television
any
and say something
religion
else.
are not
Your
being
leader says something
supported
else.
by Indian National Congress. Let me clear it to you.
No, I'll just take 10 seconds.